The More You Grow is sponsored by OSU Extension and the College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.
Have you ever wondered how a camera actually works or how your eyes see the world around you?
Well, guess what? You can build a simple version of it at home with stuff you probably already have.
Pretty cool, right? Now, let's make one. Here's what you're gonna need: paper towel tube, aluminum foil, tracing paper, tape, scissors, a push pin, dark colored construction paper for decorating and blocking out extra light.
If you're using a paper towel tube, cut it into two parts, one short and one long.
Next, we need to make the screen. Cut a small square of tracing paper and tape it tightly over one end of the longer tube.
Now, let's make the pinhole. Cut a square of aluminum foil and tape it over one end of the shorter tube. Then gently poke one small hole into the center using your push pin.
Tape the two tubes together so the tracing paper is in the middle and the aluminum foil is on the end. Wrap the whole thing in dark construction paper to keep extra light out, but leave the ends open.
Well, we've got a camera. Now let's test it out. Go outside or find a bright area indoors and look at the tracing paper screen inside.
What do you see? An upside down image. That's light in action traveling through the pinhole and projecting the world into your screen. There are so many more exciting things just like this that you can do with 418 Extension. Scan the QR or go to go.osu.edu/themoreYouGrow to find links to more projects or to get connected with the Extension office where you live.
The More You Grow is sponsored by OSU Extension and the College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.